Hello again, this is Sergio from MintTips. Today's MintTip is about how to optimize content from your website. If you have content that you want to improve and you decided to do a new keyword research, you always want to make sure you are not already ranking for those new terms. With Google Search Console is quite easy. So once you log in, you click in the client you want, and then you click in performance. You select average position, so that way you have a new column with the positioning of each term. You just export all the data in CSV. Once everything is exported, you merge everything, all the ranking keywords in only one Excel spreadsheet. Like in this case, I have around 200 keywords from different tools, in this case from Href and also SEMrush and Google Search Console. So I highlighted in green all the queries that have a commercial intent, because that's what we want to rank for more commercial keywords. And when you have all these terms, you include all the keywords you pull out from your keyword research, from the main keyword, and you remove duplicates, and that way is how you realize that you are not using keywords you are already ranking for. I hope you found this mint tip helpful, and see you next time. Thank you.